Hey everyone, this next tip is how you can find really cool animated backgrounds to use in your Instagram stories. So we're going to go to story, and basically you want to go to effects. So you're going to scroll all the way along the bottom till you get to this search icon, and then you're going to click on that and you're going to browse effects. So you're going to go to search icon on the top right, and you're going to put in background N5. Okay, and now we're going to search that, and what you've got is you've got all these different animated backgrounds that you can use. So they're really, really cool backgrounds. So you've got, for example, this one. There's absolutely loads of different types of backgrounds that you can use for your stories. So let's just find one. So let's say or this one. So for example, whichever one you wanted to use, what you can do then, if you click on, you can save it or try it. So if you click on try it, and then what you can do is hold the button, the record button, and then what you can do, you then literally, you've got that, but you can actually download it as well to your camera roll, so you can use it as many times as you want. And you can obviously add images over the top of this, you can add text, you can add GIFs, and it's just a different way of making your stories pop out and obviously stand out and grab attention of your viewers. So I hope that one helps, guys, and I'll see you in a bit.